How do I design a program for all Miami students? Please be mindful of different student learning styles. Not all students learn the same. Also, please be mindful of a diversity of student interests, backgrounds, and identities, including but not limited to race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, religion, gender, and disability status. Finally, please be mindful of your program's affordability. Note that students typically will need to pay out of pocket for the tuition and program fees associated with your program, and they may very well be unable to use their Miami scholarships from their financial aid package. Is your program priced in a range that is affordable to the majority of Miami students, or only for a wealthy minority? Overall, you want to design a program that is as accessible and inclusive as possible. This is not only the ethical thing to do, but it will widen your enrollment funnel, giving your program the best chance of being an enrollment go.